Nne, I have told you to move on with your life. Get married. I know my son would understand. I will definitely explain everything that happened. Eh? You know that women are like flower. They wither with time. What?
But not to his best friend. Mama, that is total betrayal. I'll rather marry another man than his best friend. I can't.
My daughter, one thing is this. If Ebuka will make a good husband to you, go ahead and marry him. The essence of getting married is for one to be happy.
No. Yes, if he can take care of you. And my love is also important in anything we do. I'm just tired. I feel like running away from that house. I am so unsettled and unhappy.
Okay, run away in a house. Oh, don't run away, my daughter. Eh? I cherish you. I love you so much. I acknowledge the love and care you have on my child. Eh? It's only a girl like you that can start this test of time. There is nothing we can do. I wish you good luck. I pray that God will bless you with a good husband that will take good care of you. Oh? Zobanwa. It's okay, Galiba. Oh? I wish you good luck. Hmm? It's okay. It's okay. Oh? It's okay.
Ebuka. Ebuka.
Oh! Who do I have here? Someone. How are you? Oh, welcome. Come inside. Come inside.
No, I'm okay here.
Eh, are you in a hurry?
Yes. No.
Oh, okay.
I'm fine here.
Oh, how is everybody?
Everybody's fine.
Welcome. Hi. See how beautiful you are looking. Hi.
Thank you.
Hi.
Thank you.
Welcome. Oh.
I came to share my good news with you.
Good news. Yes. I knew it. I knew that something good is coming my way today. Now look at you. Share the news. Share. Hey.
I came to tell you that I told my parents I've seen a suitor to marry.
Hey! I knew that one day there will be a banner at the junction with the inscription Chizoba weds Ebuka. Thank you so much. That in fact, this is the wisest decision you've made in your life. Hi. Hi, thank God.
Ebuka. You're not the one.
You know you can be funny sometimes. You can be funny. That is the same way you were pretending you don't even notice I passed before, and now I know you are in love with me. You're still playing me again. I mean, you can't say no to me after all I did for you. You can't. Eh?
No.
Don't tell me you are serious.
That's where you got it wrong. You didn't do anything for me, but for yourself.
Chizoba, it's Ebuka you are talking to. It's me, Ebuka Electronics. Oh, eh? You cannot tell me. You can't do that. You can't tell me I didn't do anything for you. How can you say that? Eh? Okay. You know what? I think it's time I told Kelechi's mother what happened to her son.
No,
yes!
No. It hasn't come to that now, eh? No, please don't talk like that. Oh, you can't possibly tell her that. You know it will shatter her. Please, oh, Biko.
Look at you. So you're even holding me. Me, Ebuka, you're touching me. And you want me to do something for you when you cannot even do a little thing. Nobody even yogi. Do you know how difficult it is to keep a secret even when you did not pay me to keep it? I kept that secret. It's inside here and it's very heavy and I'm keeping it for free. You still have the mind to ask me to do something for you.
What are we not even saying?
I didn't get paid for keeping this secret, and you see, since you don't want to do as I've said, allow me, let me do my mind. I can mob him. You hear me?
Listen,
no, don't worry.
What are we not even saying? Kenechukwu is your friend.
I don't know him. Hey, I don't know who Kenechukwu is. I don't know him. As far as you're concerned, I don't know him. I don't know him. Okay, Fole? See, let me tell you. If I cannot have you, nobody will. Nobody will have you.
Every day I grow to love you more. Every night I think about our love. Every hour I learn to love you better. My love, please don't ever let me go. No matter what the circumstances.
Honestly, I don't know what is wrong with your father. He's still insisting you leave the house if you refuse to do his bidding. I don't know what else to do.
I accept.
I don't understand.
I accept to marry Ebuka.
Thank you. You really relieved me with this news. My dear, I know it is not easy for you. But I know that God will help you find peace in that marriage. Yes. I know that Ebuka loves you. And he will take care of you. Okay? It's okay. Smile now. Smile a little. Obi.
How are you?
I'm fine. How did you avoid me? I've been trying to call your line, but you're not answering.
I've been busy. That's why.
Too busy to see me or talk to me.
Well, like I said, I've been busy.
Okay.
So what do you want?
I came to see you, of course. What else will I want? Yeah.
As you can see, I'm not in the mood to entertain visitors at the moment.
Chelekwa. Me, visitor. I don't understand. Stop now.
Who are you before? My wife or something? To the best of my knowledge, you're a visitor, so...
See, I know you're stressed out, okay? So I would, if you... I can go, but I just don't want any trouble between us, okay?
Alright, very well then. Let me see if I have small change in me. So you can, yeah, so you can take
I don't
care
understand.
of bike.
For what? Change? For me? Where is that devil? Where is that bitch that is standing on my way? Where is she?
Hey, you're shouting.
Shouting?
Yeah.
For what?
You don't have to raise your voice in my house.
Your house?
Yes, my house, not yours. You don't have to raise your voice in my house.
What have come over you? What's wrong with you? What have I done?
You don't get it, do you?
I don't. Tell me.
I think I will have to be polite now. Please, can you use the door?
Oh, use the door. No, I have to wait here and see that girl. No, I will stay here and wait for her to come.
Don't forget this is my house.
It's also my house.
You live where I want.
That's your business.
Use the door now.
Out of my house. This guy used me this village I got me, Abby.
to see you.
Is that what you want? No.
See my house again.
I will come. I will still be
Take
coming.
your box.
I will still be coming.
Don't come to this house again.
I will still come back. This village, you cannot use me and dump me. Yes.
If you try and step your feet in this house again,
In a prison country, Gabi. Nonsense.
I bought this week for you. How many bulbs I supposed to buy this week?
Edgar, give me that week. Edgar, give me that week.
If not number.
Give me that wig.
If not number, you can.
Give me that wig. Nonsense. You are very stupid. You want to disgrace me, Abby, in this village? Nah, don't worry. You won't be here for. I will deal with you. Look, I know you.
Don't touch my protect again. Don't try it.
For what? Protect on nonsense. Stupid person.
Yes.
You are very mad.
I am done with the daughter. I want it black now.
Abby?
Yes.
So bad, Jiro.
Yes.
Munage in this village. Nonsense.
My lovely wife. Welcome. This is my house. You're welcome. Just take a look, walk around, feel free, okay?
Where is the way to the kitchen so I can help myself to a meal?
Oh, like you read my mind, I can't wait for you to give me the best meal. You know what I mean? So that's the way to the bedroom. So maybe when you get there, you would like to make some adjustments, you know?
The bath, please.
Yeah.
Have you heard he's married?
Oh.
Ebuka, of course.
Annabelle, please tell me this is one of your jokes.
I'm not joking. He's married to his best friend's babe.
And who is his best friend's babe that I don't know of?
The one that traveled to abroad now. You don't know him again?
Oh, Kenichi.
Yes, Kenichi.
Annabelle, please, you are joking.
I'm not joking. Why will I be joking now?
Is that why he has been acting so strange these days?
How do you mean?
It's nothing. It's nothing.
Like seriously? Why is your mood like this?
Look at. Hi. Oh. I knew it. I knew there was something special. That Kenichi could not cheat on this girl. Oh!
I hope you are enjoying your meal.
Zobangwa, I am enjoying every taste of the meal. You want to kill me with food? I knew there was something very special about you that made Kenichi not to be able to even shit on you for one day.
You know it's bad manners to talk while eating. Just eat.
So Badro, I'll eat, but you know I was only commending you anyway.
You can do that when you're done eating. For now, observe table manners.
How can I keep quiet? This food is too good. No problem. Hi! In fact, I don't want this fufu to cover the space in my tummy. Let me attack the meat. Will you taste?
Thank you.
Who's the bad one? Do you know that?
Drink water. Take water and drink. Drink water.
You still love him, isn't it?
Let me see. turn off the bed, can I?
That's more reason. I mean, you see, honey, that's more reason you have to forget about him and move on. Move on with your new life with me.
You think it's that easy? Look where we are now. Don't you think we are betraying him by being together?
No, we are not. We are honoring him. Yes. Babe, we are doing this in his memory. See, I know that wherever he is now, he is very happy, knowing fully well that I am the man, the right man to take care of you. See, I never wanted to tell you this, but I have to. He actually asked me to take care of you before he left. And this is me doing what I promised him. See, it's just...
Ebuka, you know what? I think I want to be left alone now. Stay on my phone.
Honey, see, can we talk about this once and for all?
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, please. Forgive me. I'm sorry for the way I acted last night. It's so unfair not to have allowed you to touch me as your wife that I am.
See, it's fine. It's okay. I can allow you space if you wish.
No.
Come on. No. I understand. Don't
You're
worry.
my husband. And I shouldn't refuse you access to my body.
I know.
I promise you right now that I would behave as your wife henceforth.
You're my wife and nothing can change that. Come. Get up, please.
Are you sure?
Yes, get up. Why are you so heavy this morning? Sit down. Come on. Come on. You see, we're mature and we ought to respect each other's feelings, okay? I respect how you feel.
Yes, I am more about a kiss, man. Yes, I am about a kiss, man. How can I love you like a brother while you treat me like a stranger? What are friends for? It's on your more about a kiss, man. It's on your mind about a kiss, man.
Hello? Hello? Huh? Who? Kelechi Mom?
I gave you my trust, but you betrayed me every single time. What can I do? Might you stop believing in human beings?
I don't want to hear.
It's on your mind. I would have kissed you.
They just don't be like small boys to you. Think it's my husband. You not be small boy. How do you see yourself? Not be kwang.
Go. Come begin waka.
Let's go.
Come begin waka.
Move. We go kill her for you.
I trust you guys.
Go now.
You don't do your own bad. That's my hobby. That's my duty. What are you talking about?
It's on your man. I wanna kiss you, man. How can I love you like a brother? Why you treat me like a stranger?
Hey, back in Aga, you shameless fool. Eh? You don't wake and made the so it is your best friend's girl. Kijue, nature mania, mania. For that low class girl, actually Nimwe class. Eh? I didn't know because at least you should have now Ibuka. Hey,
what exactly is your problem? I mean, what exactly don't you understand? Apagoi. Tawaka boy also in a song. Can you feel it so long? See, let me tell you, she can never be in your class. Do you know why? Because you're classless. You want a class?
Oh.
You are classless.
Oh.
See, let me tell you, there are many reasons I left you for Chizoba. See, in case you don't know, do not Chizoba na abammele.
So bad, let me tell you, in case if you have forgotten, you cannot use me in this village and dump me. Never, I will not allow that.
It has happened though.
No, it will never happen. You cannot use me in this village.
See,
you cannot.
See, our relationship is already done. In fact, our relationship is done and mastered. Let me tell you, I have nothing to do with you anymore. Because it's no longer news to you that I am married to the most beautiful and endowed damsel. Let me tell you, whenever I remember the backside of Chizoba, I refuse to go back.
Oh, backside. Wait, have you forgotten the name is got 10 pairs of them? But also bad, let me not go to that. But let me tell you, if I don't have you in this town, Ebuka, read my lips. If I don't have you in this town, no woman will. Only one knows I try ya. It's okay, bet.
Nah, what for you? Do you want to die here? Eh? Many reasons you can't leave me. One, my John Thomas is monastic. Oh. And of course you like them thick and chubby. Manija gym na figaro. You're looking for your clothes where you did not bathe. Go back to your bedroom.
That's so bad, no problem. Ebuka, I'm talking, you're walking away. Ebuka, no problem. In this village, we will see. We shall see.
No
problem.
Onyala.
Onyala. In this village. I will deal with this village.
Hello?
This is Kenichi.
Honey, please, you see my phone? I've been looking for it, I can't find it. I don't even know where it is.
You mean your phone? I didn't see it. You should know where you kept it, no? It should be in the room, no?
No, I just searched the bedroom, it's not there. I don't know where. Are you sure you didn't see it?
I don't know. Did you check the kitchen or what? Did you?
No, because I don't even take it to the kitchen because it's not healthy.
Then you should better know where you kept it. I didn't come across
Please,
it.
let me just check here.
Babe, I'm not with your phone.
I remember I kept it on the table.
Okay.
I know I kept it on the table.
Trust a friend. What have I done wrong to trust a brother, to believe a brother? It's on your mind about a kiss and it's on your mind about a kiss and how can I love you like a brother, but you treat me like an enemy? our friends were.
There is nothing, okay.
You can't possibly say you're fine when worry is written all over your face. Okay?
Don't bother yourself, I'm fine. It's just there is this wrong transaction I made and it's affecting my commission. And it's a huge loss on my side.
Honey, more of like a transaction, commission transaction.
Yes.
Wando, sorry, oh?
It's fine.
Just calm down. Don't let it weigh you down. Tomorrow we can talk about the transaction and the commission.
Okay, I will. Coming on, it's okay. You see, there's something I want to ask you for. Yeah.
Okay, what could that be?
You see, you know I love you so much, right? I don't want you to leave me. Please.
I don't understand. Where is that coming from?
I can't imagine. I can't even imagine living without you. I'm worried.
Honey, there's no way I'm going to leave you. I am married to you, so I'm here. I'm going nowhere. Okay? Don't worry yourself. Don't be like that. Oh?
I just want to be like this.
Hey! Chukwuoki, come here, Mogi! Oh, Bakidi! Hello, Chukwu! Hey!
Slides, my mama slides it.
Yeah.
He's the slides.
You see? Slide.
Slides it, man.
Slide. Hey! Chukwuoki! Kelechi Nwam. Oh, give a differ. Hey! So your mother is alive to set my eyes on you again after many years.
That's what's up.
Should I let you go back Mama.
Honestly, I know how you feel. You see, it's a long story. If I start explaining why connection was conged off, it would be a long story. But the main thing is that
yes, you are welcome, my son. Come to have a long story. You are back.
Exactly.
You are welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
I thank God for Johnny Mercy.
Amen.
I thank God for Johnny Mercy.
That's what's up.
Kelechi Nwam.
I missed you.
I miss you, Mama. I miss you. So now
hey. I know how you feel, but the main thing is I'm now. You know, I'm back. So, Chizoba, I have to run along to see her. How is she though?
Chizoba. Yes. I thank God for Johnny Mercy. You are welcome.
I just said I have to see Chizoba. Has she been here?
Yes.
Chizoba. On Abiakwa, time to time.
Yes.
Okay.
On Abia. Chizoba na Abia. Oh no. Okay. You have to rest first. Oh? You are welcome.
My proposal, but God will decide. So you worked hard every single day, and you can't sleep every single night. Makanife na chungoto na chungoke. Oh, lembo kevio.
You mean you arrange assassins for her?
What would you have me do? Huh?
You don't have to go to ice cream to have an innocent blood on your hand.
I won't say she's innocent. No. If she's innocent, will she try to take my man away from me?
But she doesn't know she's your man, does she?
Whether she knows or not, that's not my business here. What I know is that I have to teach Ebuka a lesson in this field. He cannot use and dump me as he likes. I have to teach him the extent an angry woman can go. So Amaro's coming in the pool.
I'm not in support of this at all.
I was not expecting to be in support of it. Inanu. So whatever you think or want to say. In this village, I think people can hurt me to provide
That's him.
I thought he's your guy.
He was. Now he's my greatest enemy.
What do you want me to do to him?
Kill him.
I'm going to even bother. I don't care whose fox is guard.
I'll be waiting to hear from you.
Definitely you will hear from me before the end of the day. Just keep my money intact.
This is unbelievable. I went to his shop but he wasn't there.
Did you go to his house?
Why would Chizoba do such a thing to me? Why? I don't want to go to his house because I don't want to see Chizoba. How can she betray me like that?
No.
How?
Calm down. It's not her fault. This girl waited for you. The pressure was too much on her.
I don't want to know, Mama. I'm so pissed right now. Then she promised me that she was going to wait for me. Was that not what she said? Why would she do such a thing? Why?
Calm down. The pressure was too much on her.
Mama,
Can
you stop saying this?
Va
Bogini. No, va Bogini, Mama. Is that the promises we made to each other? We made promises to each other that we're going to wait.
She tried.
How can she do such a thing? Mama, stop saying she tried. Stop saying that.
Now calm down. Calm down, Biko. Calm down. You know, that girl tried. She waited for you.
Mama, can you stop
She waited for you.
Stop saying this. Even if she decides to get married, must he be my friend? No, must he be my best friend, Ebuka? Why not another man?
Huh? But all I know is that that girl waited. She tried.
Mama, this is painful. Oh, this is so unbelievable. Ebuka betrayed me. No, Ebuka betrayed me knowing full well how I love that girl.
Cool down. Oh, I got it for my force, you know.
See, I'm going to revisit Ebuka's shop. Ebuka needs to tell me why he did what he did to me. He needs to tell me why he betrayed me.
Kenechukwu, cool down. Calm down, you know. Oh, I will look for another girl for you. I will do that myself. Oh, beautiful girl. Oh.
ghost. I'm alive.
No. You are dead! Don't come close to me!
I'm alive. And who gave you the impression that I'm dead?
Oh my God. Kenny, you are alive. Eh? You're alive.
Don't you dare come close to me. Don't you dare come close to me. How could you, Chizoba? How could you betray me? So of all the men you chose to get married to is my best friend Ebuka. Chizoba, do you know how I felt when my mother told me how you betrayed me? You betrayed the love we promised each other. My best friend Ebuka. Chizoba.
Kenny. You know what you think. You have to understand.
Save the explanations to yourself. I'm actually not here to see you. For real. I'm here to see your husband. I want him to tell me the reason he betrayed me. Thank you very much.
Every day I grow to love you more. Every night I think about our love. Every hour.
Don't you dare come close to me!
Kenneth!
No matter what the circumstances, remember we both united. In this fight, in this struggle, I will fight for you. No matter what it takes, I'll be here for you. Please don't go anywhere. Please wait for me. No matter how long it takes. Every day I learn to love you more. Every night.
Please. Get your filthy hands off me, you disgusting thing.
Please.
You lied to me that he was dead.
Hey.
Ebuka, and even kept all the money he's been sending to yourself. You are such a terrible person.
Yes, William Malam. Ebuka Electrical. God, terrible. It's me. It's me. What do you want me to even do? Eh? I told you that whenever there is transaction, there should be commission. Eh? I kept on telling Kelechi, send me my commission, send me money for my commission. He will not agree. He'll be sending me money and say, give to my mother, give to my sister, give to my girlfriend, give to my...
Ebuka, you are so wicked and selfish.
Yeah.
Ebuka, oh my God, how did I even end up with you as a wife?
It's love.
I'd rather remain single than be married to you.
No, we are married. We are married, and we are married for better and for worse. We die here. We die here.
You think?
We die here.
You used that to lie to me so you can marry me.
Oh, if you love man, it's love that causes it. Eh? It's love that causes it. See, Stop all these things you're saying. Moreover, Kelechi told me that when he was in America, that he's full of crisis. So I thought he would not survive it. Now instead of it to waste, I have to hold on.
Thought?
I thought, yes.
That was why you lied about his death. You know what, Ebuka? I am done with you.
Wait.
Ebuka,
please.
You touch me, Ebuka.
Chizoba, Chizoba, you cannot. Chizoba, come now.
Ebuka, it will never be well with him. That boy is wicked. Such a terrible friend he is. Hey! Thank God you discovered the kind of person he is on time. If not, that boy wouldn't mind poisoning you.
Mama, in all of this, I blame Chizoba. Chizoba is not supposed to marry him for any reason.
About fault, eh? It's not her fault at all. It's that wicked friend of yours, Chukwebuka. He made her to understand that you're dead. Eh? He convinced her to marry him, like she told you.
How true is that? Is that not what she told you? How true is that? Anyway, the deed has been done. I don't want to set my eyes on any of them.
My guy, American boo-boo. Hey! No, you must get a little now. Hey, Chineke. American burger, one. Hey! Tom! Madam Claro for American burger. Because one, only $1. American one.
Don't you dare come close to me. Don't you dare step an inch close to me.
Why you?
Okay, for Mwagola, eh? Mwagola, who is he?
What's the problem? Is this your plot to not to give me $1? No, baby, can electrical.
No, you're pretending like you don't know what I'm talking about. No, is that what you're doing? I pretend okay,
Chizoba, no, now Chizoba is not supposed to be a problem here now. You handed this girl over to me before you traveled. You told me to take care of her, and when you were nowhere to be found, I had to take over. Like, it's not supposed to be a problem now. No woman matter. You allow woman come between us. It's not okay now. Eh? Moreover, everybody thought you were dead.
It's you and your entire generation that are dead. Ebuka, I thought you were my friend. So it is my girl, of all the girls in this city, it is my girl that you find worthy to marry.
Nah, Kilichi, why are you taking this thing so personal, eh? You're supposed to be happy that it's me, Ebuka Electricals, that got married to your girl. I mean, she won't go hungry. And in the other room, you know I'm very monastic that way. You should be happy, and moreover, what I did is what a friend can do to cover up for a friend who he thought is dead. I mean, everybody thought you
Can you listen to yourself?
Now
I understand the kind of person you are. Do you know who you are? You are a two-faced bastard, a betrayal. That is who you are.
William Malum, Ebuka Electrical, two-faced bastard. William Malum. So that is what you learned from America. You know
one thing, you think you're smart, you think you have words, you think you have things to say, but deep down you are empty, for crying out loud. But it's okay. Now I understand the kind of person you are. I trusted you. I call you my own person. Because I traveled. I sent you money severally to give to my mother. What did you do? You siphoned the money. I pleaded with you, please take care of my girl. What did you do? You got married to my girl. You know what? Anywhere you see me, avoid me.
Now one couple.
Just go the other way around. Why I take the other way? If you dare me, because if you dare me, I will show you what is called
what are you doing, man?
New York City thug life.
Okay, you will show me thug life from New York. If you try me, go see your life from Oboko. Let me tell you, this is not why I'm here. The reason I'm here is because I'm looking for my wife. And mind you, if I later find out that my Zobano here, if I find out that Chizoba came here, I am electrical. Bastard will you have
Ebuka, don't let me open my suitcase. If I open the suitcase I came back with, I will blow your skull.
Oh, Kelechi, offense number 1. If I find out that she's the one here, I will use SAS and fuck you up. Who want SAS?
It's a good thing that you've declared yourself enemy. I was here this war.
Oh! It's a type of war! Oh, one American and the other. You want the war, B? I'll give you more. One of them side over there. Choose a baby, choose a baby.
How can I love you like a brother?
Anything for choose a baby. Anything for her.
A stranger. What are friends for? It's on your mouth. I would kiss you, man. It's on your mind. I would kiss you, man. If I can treat you like a brother.
No, I'm not sitting down. Open this one. Doc, please. I just received a disturbing phone call that my wife has just been rushed to an emergency. What happened?
Yes, you're right. The situation was terrible.
Hey!
But, everything is under control. Chizoba nearly lost her life.
No.
From a severe beating she got from a group of assassins, according to an eyewitness.
Assassins?
Yes. That was the only thing she said.
Did you just say assassins?
Exactly. That's the only thing she could say before I commenced treatment on her.
I think I know who did this. I know who did this.
You know who did it?
No, sir. I was just thinking.
So the attack was because of you, isn't it?
No.
Now listen to me and listen good. Just pray that nothing happens to my daughter.
Nothing will happen to her.
If anything happens to my daughter, you will regret ever coming to my family.
Sir.
Listen, I believe your marriage with my daughter is over from this moment. Come with your people and collect the bride price you begged.
No, sir. Daddy, he hasn't gotten to that. He hasn't gotten to that. See, I can... What is it? Hey! Oh.
What do you mean did not kill her? I don't understand. Eh?
I dey play you say police enter. What you want me to do again? Police show up now, have you not been so?
And how is that my business? Is that what I paid you guys for? And stop giving me these flimsy excuses.
So you want my police kill us, ba? So you want my police kill us? Now I'm gonna trust Sapa for Sanko. Shege, thunder go fire you. You want make the...
It's you that thunder will fire. It's you. Nonsense.
You want make we match you down now, idiot.
Like, I want her dead. I want her, like, I desperately want her dead. I just want her dead. Can't you listen?
See, Mama, that one no be issue. Oh, farm. Oh, kill
yes.
See, go show us love again.
Another, you know, it's up. I will not be so.
Why?
Mama Lee.
You people are mad. Like, you people are very stupid. I should show you love. Like how? Like I should give you another money. No, man, you pretend you came or I will plug it on the tree, Abby. No, I will give you money and you will collect. What about the one I paid you for? And you are here, you are telling me nonsense. See, I don't care what you do. What I want is I want her dead.
You are an idiot.
Who got this girl? Who got this girl? It's okay. Who got this girl? I said it's okay. That one no be issue. This is Captain talking to you. You hear me?
I don't want to listen to that because I see you guys are unprofessionals. And I have to take my leave now. Let me call people that can do the job better than you guys.
Come on, will you fit in out? Rubbish.
Jacko. When I leave that school, you don't know anything. You don't see police here, somebody enter. Enter go do anything though. Everybody is open for our week. I'm the captain. Make my hands, make my score roll.
Every day I grow to love you more. Every night I think about our love.
I came as soon as I heard.
I'm sorry. You can't make me believe you were dead. I was going to wait for you. I was not going to give my body to another man. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I'm glad you're better now.
Yes. My dad treated me. He gave me some injections.
Injections? You never told me your dad is a doctor.
Yes, he is. He actually works here.
Here? What a coincidence. My dad actually died in this hospital. I think in the other world or so, was there or here? But in this hospital.
I'm sorry about that.
It's okay. I'm trying so hard to get over it. But that's by the way. I'm going to confront Ebuka. It's about time. I'm sure he knows the people that attacked you.
No, there won't be need for that.
No, there's need for that. I'm gonna whoop his ass.
I want him to remain in my past. I've forgotten about him. There's so much regret believing his words. Look where it has landed me. I'm so sorry.
I could kill you now. I could kill you now for your actions.
Leave me alone. What have I done? No, tell me. Oh, it's a legal. It's a humanity, it will not work for you.
How dare you? How dare you send assassins against my wife? How dare you?
You have not seen anything. You have not seen anything. I told you, if I can't have you in this film, nobody will. Just leave me alone.
Okay.
You're hurting me.
Do you know I can kill you? Do you know I can kill you?
Anything. Cannot just shut down your
Hey, come back, come here. Don't move. Come here. Stop there. Bring him. Damn me.
Hey.
I will shoot you.
Chimo.
Come on, stop here.
What have I?
Bring him.
Jesus, Lord. I did not do anything.
Come on.
I'm innocent.
Come on, move.
I'm innocent.
Move.
Oh no, you did not enjoy.
Mama, it's okay, it's okay. At least I'm alive. Nothing happened to me.
Hey! Nna.
Okay.
Nothing will happen to you. Why would somebody want to kill you? Major.
Mama, it's crazy. That's something I've been thinking. I mean, I'm confused as hell. Why would someone want me there?
They will never succeed.
John.
Eh? They will never get you. Eh?
Amen.
They will never get you.
Amen.
See, you will report to the police immediately.
Sure,
it's very important.
Sure, Mama. Anyway, I reconciled with Chizoba today, so I'll go to see her much later. But I need to be very careful. I have to go to the police station first, make reports, then go to see her.
Nah, that one is not important now. You have to leave that one for now. Yeah? Like you said, going to the police is the most important thing to do now. Let us know who is working against you.
Sure, Mama.
Yeah?
Chukune do I.
Chukudube kwage. Ogane edugi.
Nne. Kedu. You're fine? Yeah. I hope you're feeling better now. Okay, that reminds me, you said your friend is coming to visit you.
Yes, that was what he said to me a while ago. I'm still surprised he's not yet here.
And who is he, by the way?
Dad. He's a friend of mine. The first man I fell in love with, and I'm still very much in love with him.
So where was he when you got married to that uncircumcised naked fool?
He traveled out, Dad. But Dad, he is back and better now. And I can't wait for you to meet with him. Dad, he's a perfect gentleman. So caring. Mom knows him already.
Really? You seem very happy and complacent about him. Why didn't you tell me about him all this while?
Dad, you know how you can be. I was very scared that you may not accept him, being that he wasn't ready for marriage then.
It's alright, come. You see, after all that happened to you, it occurred to me that I have not really been a good father to you. Yes. A good father should always make sure that his child is always happy wherever she is. Yes. Marriage is a lifetime commitment. Therefore, I would have been sure of the man you are going into his house as a wife.
Dad, are you the one talking?
I am. It is an error on my side, and I intend to correct it. Okay. As for that naked fool, Ebuka, that calls himself your husband, if you so wish to continue with him, I would respect that.
No. No way, Dad. No way.
Then, I I will return his bride price.
Better. That would...
It's okay, sorry. Take it easy. It's okay.
That would be the best thing you would do, Dad. Because I would never get back with him. No way. I'm not going to do that. That at all.
It's okay. It's okay, my daughter. It's okay.
It's on your more. I would have kissed you, man. It's on your man. I would have kissed you, man. How can I love you like a brother while you treat me like a stranger? What are friends for?
I am so sorry. Forgive me. Please, no, you don't have to do this. Get up. Get up and sit down. I understand everything. It's only advantages that you must see the kind of love you have for my son.
Thank you very much, Mama. I'm so sorry for not telling you about Kenichi. I didn't want to break your heart. I felt you could die on hearing about his death.
I am glad you didn't tell me. Hey, I would have been dead by now. Kelechi, hey, living without you, impossible. Thank God you did not tell me.
Mama, you will not die.
Amen.
You will live to see your grandchildren.
Amen. Amen. I am glad you are back to my son. I give God the glory for this day. I bless both of you. Your kind hearts and love will always attract good things to you as a new wife in my family.
Amen.
My son, you know that you're always welcome in this family. Thank you. I am glad you are back and we came back safely. What transpired between my daughter and the man she got married to shows that God never approved of that marriage. I am happy you're back and you have come to fulfill the promise you made to me. You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
I'm grateful to God Almighty that you still hold me in high esteem. And I want to promise you that I will never do anything that will jeopardize our relationship. I promise to take very good care of her if given to me as a wife.
Of course you have my blessings.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you so much, Mom. I can always count on you. You're welcome. Thank you.
So, Mom, I was thinking of meeting your husband, at least get to know him too well.
He went to work. Why don't you come back some other time? Probably with some of your elders. Let's say towards weekend. I will tell him about your visit when he returns from
Sure, I will do just that. Okay. Thank you.
I grow to love you more. Every night I think about our love. Every hour I learn to love you better. My love, please don't ever let me go.
Oh my God. Baby.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
I'm glad you like it.
I love it. Wow. Baby, this is what I call a home.
Say that again.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
So have you brought Mama here yet?
No, actually I wanted to bring you here first, then I will bring Mama. We are going to be staying here together.
Wow, I am in support of that.
That's what's up.
I am fully in support. Honestly, she needs to enjoy, at least for once in her life.
You're right.
Yeah. I'm so happy for you.
It's okay, I'm glad you love it. It's going to be our home.
I can't wait to bear your last name.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, come, let me show you around.
Okay.
I grow to love you more. Every night I think about our love. Every hour I learn to love you better. My love, please don't ever let me go. No matter what the circumstances, remember we both united in this fight, in this struggle.
Cheer.
You're welcome.
How's everything?
Fine.
Thank God.
Welcome. Your body is just reversing. You're welcome.
It's 7,000. It's complete. It's complete.
But this is not what the doctor asked you to bring now.
I know, but I promise before the day runs out, I will complete it. Please. Huh?
Anyway, Dr. Idloluba requested your presence once you are here.
Is everything alright?
I don't know.
So where is he?
His office. You should just go straight, or maybe I should take you there.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
See.
I was coming to your office.
How are you?
I'm not fine, sir.
It's okay. Listen. I'm afraid if the surgery is not done now, your father is going to die.
God forbid. My father will never die.
Amen.
My father will live to see tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow. He will never die.
Amen. He will not die. But you will have to try and raise up to 80,000 naira for the surgery to commence immediately.
80,000?
Yes.
Hey, doctor, I've never seen that kind of money in my life before. I swear, sir. Even the cake I'm riding is our church member that gave it to me in a way to support my hustle. I don't know where to raise such kind of money from. Please. Please.
It's okay, get up. You have to try and get the money. I wish I can help. But I'm sorry, this is a private hospital, not a charity foundation.
Doctor, I don't know where to raise it. I don't know.
Listen. You know very well that I've tried my best. So I'm sorry. Just be a man. Be a man. Go and look for the money.
Doctor. How about it? Then I'll go and be waiting for the police. Doctor. Wait. Is he your father?
Yes, baby. My father.
You mean this devil is your father?
What's going on? I don't understand.
Honey, what is going on here?
Let's get out of here this minute.
What is happening? It's okay. Honey? What is it? What is going on here? Do you know them? What is it?
What's going on?
Why are you crying?
You're
What?
If you know, I'm even a come
Please talk to me. Why did you walk out on my father like that? Do you know him from somewhere or what?
I really don't want to talk about this, please.
What do you mean by that? You owe it to me an explanation. What happened?
You really want to know what happened?
Yes, I do.
Okay. That man you introduced to me as your father is the reason I lost my father.
I don't understand.
Fine. You remember when I told you that my father was rushed to a certain hospital? I met with your father. I pleaded with him to treat my father, but he refused admitting him. He insisted that I have to pay money before he could touch my father. Your father refused performing an emergency surgery that led to the death of my father. How can I ever forget the face of the man that pushed me into selling my keke and losing the money?
God, I'm so sorry. God.
How can he be so wicked? Gosh.
If you know, I'm even a kalankama. Now be gone away, be gone away, can never check away, Makana.
What are you doing here? What are you doing in my house? What do you want?
Mama, I'm so sorry for what my father did to your husband. Please, I'm sorry. I didn't know. I'm sorry.
Ona, get out of this place.
Mama.
I don't want to see you near this compound again.
Mama, because
I said get out.
Please, Mama. Please.
Mama,
because
get out now. I said mom.
Mama. Mama, because Mama.
This is life and not be as you think, come on, brother me. If you know, on you even a kalankama. Now be gone away, be gone away, can never check away, Makana. Oh, I did Anye Venesili Kenoa, I sing it.
Kene, I hope she's not here.
Who?
Eh?
Who?
Daughter of that wicked doctor.
Mama, what would she be doing here? She's not here, Biko.
Better, because I don't want to see her anywhere around here again. Let her go and meet her wicked father. You know, Kenechu, you mean to tell me that you don't know that that girl is that man's daughter?
Mama, have you forgotten that I've not been going there? She only told me that her father is a medical doctor, and that ends it.
Yeah? Okay, let her father marry her. Kenechukwu, I want you to get me another woman. You need to do that immediately because I want you to get married as soon as possible. What? You need help?
Okay, Mama. Thank you.
Don't talk to me. I don't want to set my eyes on you. Just go.
Sweetheart, can you at least listen to me?
You have nothing to say to me. You've ruined my chances of being happy. Are you okay now?
Sweetheart,
Just leave me alone! I don't want to talk to you or anybody! You must just leave me alone! What's all this? Leave me alone! Thank you for ruining my happiness! My husband, you need to stop paining over this issue. You know it is not your fault. Why don't you come out of this mood, please?
I hope everyone understands the way you do. Our daughter has refused giving me a listening ear. She sees me as a monster who ruined her chance of being with a man of her choice. It's very painful.
I'm sorry. My brother. Why don't you give her some time? I know she will come around. Or better still, I will talk to her myself.
It wasn't in my authority to hurt them. I wish there is a way to make her and the young man understand this. I'm sorry. Very sorry.
It's okay. I know that it wasn't your fault. I need you to go in your rest. Lie down and relax and rest. Come on. Come on, babe.
I grow to love you more. Every night I think about our love. Every hour I learn to love you better. My love, please don't ever let me go. No matter what the circumstances, remember we both united. In this fight, in this struggle, I will wait for you. No matter how long it takes, I'll be here for you. Please don't go anywhere. Please wait for me. No matter how long it takes. Every day I learn to love you more. I think about is our love. From afar, I'll always hear your voice. When you call, I would always run to you. Yeah, I didn't know more. I rap on a more. It's a phone more. It's on you more. I put a kiss in me. It's on you, man. I put a kiss in me. How can I love you like a brother while you treat me like a stranger? What are friends for? It's on you more. I put a kiss in me. It's on you, man. I put a kiss in me.
Mama, I've been thinking about this whole thing. Don't you think it's unfair blaming Chizoba for the sins of her father? I mean, she's not the one that refused carrying out emergency surgery on Papa, if you ask me.
Kenechukwu, what are you saying? Don't annoy me.
Mama.
Don't mama me. Don't think of bringing that girl into this house. Eh? Have you forgotten how we cried and begged that man to help your father, but he refused? Eh?
Mama, I know how you feel. Okay, I'm equally in pain here. But then Chizoba said her father is not the owner of the hospital. He's just a staff, which means his powers are limited.
Does it matter? If he is really a good man, he would have helped. Have you forgotten how we cried? Have you forgotten how we begged that man? Eh? He watched your father die. If he had rendered a little help, I would not be a widow today. Nah, I will never have a man who killed my husband as an in-law. Or man me. Oh?
Mama, but it's hard for me. I really love this girl. I can't afford loving another person. It's hard.
Hey, you love her? Nah, don't think of bringing that girl into this house. What her father did is unforgivable.
Chima, I'm always pride. My daddy. And then I walk away with my beautiful jewel. What is it? What is it again? Eh? What is it again? You've not even eaten your food. You've not touched it. Why are you doing this to yourself? Why? I'm not hungry. But you've not taken anything since morning. It's almost 3 p.m. Okay, do you want to kill your mother before her time? Eh? Oh. How do you expect me to eat when my world is crumbled? I'm hungry. I don't even know why Kenechukwu will end your relationship with him just because of your father's mistake. I am beginning to doubt if he truly loves you.
Mother, I would do worse than ending my relationship with him if I were to be in his shoes. Mom, what Dad did is very wicked and unchristian. He didn't do it right.
But he's not the owner of the hospital, remember? It is not his decision to make.
Mom, are you the one talking? Are you really the one talking? Mom, we're talking about a man that was at the brink of death. The only thing my father could have done was to save his life. To help a helpless poor man. Now, because of his unwise decision, I have lost my chance of becoming happy.
Jesus, please don't be hard on your father. He's already sorry. You and I know that your father is not a bad person. You know that. And he's already sorry for everything.
I don't know anything anymore. The only thing I know right now is my own father deprived me of happiness, and I will never forgive him.
Chizoba. Okay, can we just leave this issue of your father and forgiveness? You need to eat. Come on, eat.
He's the only thing I need in this whole world right now.
You need to be alive. I don't want you to develop ulcer.
What is life without him? Tell me, what is life without him?
It's okay.
I can't. I cannot survive without him.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, but I need you to eat. You need to be strong. You need to be alive, okay?
I'm lost him. I'm lost.
I was angry and disappointed when I saw your father. I know the pain and trauma my mother went through. Seeing your father brought back those forgotten memories. I have every right to be angry and call off this relationship. But on a second thought, there's no point punishing you for what your father did. In as much as he was in the position to make management decision, he would have still hearkened to my mother's plea. Or for the fact that I begged him with tears to save my father's life. But he refused. Even my mother begged. But it's all in the past now. Because for a man to move on in life, he has to let his past go. I have forgiven you. Same way I have forgiven your father. Because I believe that is what my late father expects from me anywhere he is now. Forgiveness is the key.
Thank you so much.
For the fact that I love you. So many things have been forfeited.
Thank you so much.
I love you.
I love you too, my world.
Every day I grow to love you more. Every night I think about our love. Every hour I learn to love you better. My love, please don't ever let me go. No matter what the circumstances, remember we both united. In this fight, in this struggle, I will fight for you. No matter what it takes, I'll be here for you. Please don't go anywhere. Please wait for me. No matter how long it takes. Every day I learn to love you more. Every night all I think about is our love from afar.
Get out of my house! Get out!
Stop.
Kelechi, don't talk to me. Do not talk to me, Kelechi. I am very angry and disappointed in you. leave this place now. Sebana!
Mama, please. Mama, be calm.
I am not your mother. Go and meet your mother and your wicked father. Leave my son alone. Mama. My son is not going to marry you. That will never happen.
Mama, can you just take a chill pill? Please. Take a chill pill for what?
I have told you to stay out of this. Leave here now. Sebana! I will pour you hot water.
Mama, can you... She's not going nowhere. She's going nowhere. And that's my decision. Why is it hard in forgiving her for what her father did? She's innocent, for crying out loud.
Kelechi, no, I don't understand. Are you insisting that she's not living?
Mama, can we let old things go? Can we just forgive her? It's not her fault.
Now I understand. So I no longer mean anything to you? Yes, that is what you're telling me. Oh, you are better off without a mother.
Mama, I didn't say that. He was also my father. But I had to let things go. I want you to do the same, please.
Oh, Kasi Jenny.
Please.
Mama, can you
please?
You have given him and he has eaten. Dano, Iwaka.
Mama.
So
please. Mama.
Let me.
Go and reconcile with your mother. The last thing I want to do is to come in between your relationship with your mother. There's no point we being together. Because this cannot work without her blessing. You know it. Alright?
Dad.
Dad. Dad. You've been avoiding me. What's the problem?
I'm sorry. But what do you expect of a man who obviously made himself the architect of his daughter's sadness?
Father, I forgive you. Same way Kenny has forgiven me.
Thank you very much. I promise you, I'm ready to do anything that will make things right between us. Please.
It's fine, Dad. I love you too, Dad. Oh, well, in that case, Father, there's one thing I'll need you to do for me.
Just say it and I will do it right away.
Man, please, I called you people here to help me talk to my son. And to also tell you the reason I left the way I did the other day. You see that man we went to his house? That man is the reason I am a widow today. Hey. He is the man that killed my husband. Eh? He refused to attend to my husband when he was sick because my son could not provide the money he asked for. Eh? And my son did not see any other place to pick a wife apart from his family. Odimma. I will never live to be an in-law to a man who killed my husband. Omamme.
We've all heard what you said. Then okay. What do you have to say about this?
First of all, I want to thank you all for coming through to settle this. It shows that truly we are one family. What my mother said, I'm not disputing the fact that she has every right to be angry. I was angry myself, because this man in question could have done something when my father was brought to the hospital he was working. But the truth is that that man is just a worker. He's not the owner of the hospital. He tried. He tried to do something, though he could have done more. But everything centered on me not having money. I was asked to pay some money before admitting my father, but the money was nowhere to be found. I even had to sell my keke. To cut the long story short, I've tried to let Mama know we have to forgive. As for me, I've forgiven the man, because that is what my late father expects from me.
Eh? No. Your father would expect you to honor his death and stay away from anything that concerns that man's family.
Mama, I know how you feel, but I love this girl. I can't afford losing this girl. Huh? At least for the love we share together, you just have to let it go, please.
What you share with that girl is not love, but foolishness. Nan, have you ever seen anybody who dies with his enemy?
Mama, she's not my enemy.
No. Enemy? Aye!
My elders, please talk to my mother. It's obvious she's still pained. Please, let her see reasons with forgiveness. My late father always preached forgiveness. She knows that. Please, Mama.
Hey! Njide. We've heard all that you and your son said. What you did by being angry is correct. You are right to be very, very angry with the doctor and his family. Onye sini ojo de ma amanye mi nkita ota.
Nine, help me talk to my son because he doesn't listen to me anymore.
It's alright. But our wife, ihe nwa dịkwa ka agwọ banye na nkata nnu nwaanyị ji bu eje afịa. Iti egwom, itirie nnu nwaanyị. If you leave it, ịhapụkwana ya imam nwaanyị ama mbunu agwọ na-eje afịa. So, like he said earlier, it is blissful letting go once past to give healing a chance. Biko, learn to forgive and forget.
Please, Mama.
Please, learn to forgive and forget.
Nine.
Please.
Nine is hard.
Look, wait.
My proposal, but God will decide. So you worked hard every single day, and you can't sleep every single night. Makanipa na chungoto na chungoke. Oh, lembo kevio.
What are you doing in my house? Can you do So you are not ashamed of yourself. Please, you have the gun to bring your ugly self into this compound, eh?
Calm down, we'll come in peace.
Please,
madam, listen. Listen to me. Calm down. You see, if you remember what happened in the hospital, you will notice that it wasn't my fault. It was because of the marriage policies. I even went against their policies to admit your husband. It was not my fault. Please forgive and forget. To err is human and to forgive is divine. Please. We beg you in the name of the God we serve. Please. Forgive us.
Forgive my husband. I know it is not easy to let go. To lose a husband at this age, I know it's not easy, but please, forgive him. We are already on our knees begging. Okoroe!
Njide, indeed, they have turned into a new level. Oh, forgive them and take solace. Your husband is on the right side. Please, make him proud wherever he is. Oh, Biko. Oh?
Baby, Mavata. Sorry.
It wasn't my fault. It was not my fault. Please, forgive.
Forgive. Walu.
Biko.
Biko.
And you know what I got Biko.
It's okay. Get up.
Hey,
I forgive you.
I forgive you. If not for anything, for the sake of the woman my son loved. Thank you.
Lord. Lord, what kind of nana? Oh?
Sorry, where is the grave?
Oh, it's over there.
Money not to finish on your own. What? All the guys that they call you the boss. Come, don't. Okay. Two people collect money. Yeah. One person spend it. juice got money. I don't find basic no money. Juice. I need me like money and that.
Amare Chamon. Oh, you didn't know. Today is your day. I'm going to give you a drink now. Then you can show me who your husband is. Go make any hope watch and go man. The man you will spend the rest of your life. I'll bless you. I'll bless you. I'm going to bless you in our local language because tradition does not understand foreign languages. Kelechi. Ogum. If Roku ji wee bịa ebe a, ọ ga-amịtara gị ihe ọma. Gị na nwa m nwanyị ị na-agba ụgbọ anyị na-akpa ịkparị ya na-eje. Unu ga-amụ ozuzu oke, mụọ ozuzu afọ, mụọ ozuzu nkwọ, mụọ ozuzu orie. Ajọ mmụọ na ajọ mmadụ ama afụnata unu. Ndị fọmfọ ju akpa oku na ama abaghị aka. Ọ na-eme n'iru ọ na-anọ n'azụ. Ọ na-eme n'azụ ọ na-anọ n'iru. Ọ na-eme n'iru na-eme n'azụ na-anọ n'etiti. Ozi iku na-amapụ maka na ọ mmapụ ka nwa uwe ji ebu. Iwe ike igwe m unu! Egwe m unu! Rienụ! Mụọnụ! Zụọnụ! Kwezuonụ!
If I can treat you like a brother, why you treat me like an enemy? What are friends for? I trusted you, I gave you my trust, but you betrayed me. every single time. What can I do? I might just stop believing in human beings. As I am more, I would kiss you, man. As I am man, I would kiss you, man. How can I treat you like a brother and you treat me like an enemy? What are friends for?